Hi there. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to properly accept an LTL shipment. Following these steps will ensure your items arrive safely and without any issues. First, it's important to double-check that your address is correct. Verify that all the details are accurate, including your street name, number, and zip code. Also, make sure to list your daytime phone number when placing the order. This helps the trucking company reach you easily. The trucking company will call to schedule the shipment. It's important to answer any unknown calls during this time, as it could be them trying to arrange the delivery. Missing these calls could delay your shipment. Be sure to have an adult at home during the appointment window to accept the shipment. This ensures that someone responsible is available to check the delivery and sign for it. When the shipment arrives, take a moment to carefully inspect the items on the pallet before accepting it. Look for any visible damage to the packaging or the items themselves. If you notice any damages, it's best to refuse the shipment and notify the driver. Once you accept the shipment, it's a good idea to take pictures of the packaging from all angles. This documentation can be very useful if there are any issues later on. Then, open the boxes and fully inspect all items inside. Check for any hidden or concealed damage that might not have been visible from the outside. In the unlikely event that there is concealed damage, take detailed pictures of the affected items and their packaging. Contact us immediately with this information so we can assist you with the next steps. Following these steps ensures a smooth and hassle-free delivery process. By taking these precautions, you can help protect your purchase and ensure everything arrives in perfect condition. Thank you for watching, and happy receiving. For any questions or further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.